The goal of this system was to have a flying antenna platform where we can put any kind of antenna on the drone and do any kind of RF testing without actually having a stationary antenna. The way it was done before was we set up an antenna in just one spot and we probed at just one spot. Well, when the system under test or the SUT arrives in the chamber, that RF is everywhere, and we want to test to see what kind of environment the SUT is in, and we didn't have that capability before. The drone can actually maneuver itself in the whole volume of where the SUT occupies. We had to make sure that the drone has unlimited loiter time with appropriate payload, and that is provided by the Terra. And we want to know that when we want to make sure that when we do fly, we get the maximum performance possible out of this current configuration.